Hey guys, guess who's back with the latest update of tech for your home? You're going to see the tattoos that can replace your smartwatch, speakers that are thinner than your smartphone, and a laser cube that's really a laser cube. Fasten your seatbelts. We're taking off. If you ever had to design an interior, then you know how hard it can get. Maybe it'd be much easier if you had the right tech. Here's ARCHISKETCH, a small gadget that attaches right to your smartphone and provides the best tools for your imagination. It uses lasers to measure your room, then creates a 3D model of it. After that, you can edit it on your smartphone or tablet. Now you know exactly how your sofa will look with that white carpet. If you have a VR headset, you can also use that to get an even more detailed and realistic view. You can also order new furniture right away from the connected website. If you're about to move or just renovate your room, you need to get this thing. Guess we all know that modern music has a lot to do with tech. This gadget called JOUE is an ultimate piece for every musician who wants to keep the skills up to date. It isn't just a keyboard or a drum pad, it's actually both, and even more. The board itself serves as a base. You can place different modules on its top and voila, you've got an instrument you want. Guitar strings, piano keys, drum pads, choose any you want. It's even possible to put 3 modules at once. There are some other useful options. Thanks to the advanced pressure sensitivity, musicians can use all the natural gestures they're used to, such as vibrato. Moreover, the modules can be seamlessly exchanged even during a live performance. Here's another smart device, and it's much more innovative than it looks. The idea was to create something less intrusive and more natural than our typical screens. You might mistake it for a regular poster, but this one is able to show the weather forecast. So this is actually a smart poster that can update the print on it once in a while. You wonder how? Well, it uses smart ink that can move according to the changing info. There's a little computer inside that constantly monitors the weather forecast. Guess it really makes sense. Almost every single process in our lives needs precise time management, whether it's cooking your breakfast or practicing in the gym. That's why you need a good, handy timer that doesn't require much time to set up. This gadget combines all of that in a very creative way. Just flip it to set the most frequently used options. With the little display, you can choose more specific time or adjust the volume. The flashing numbers are there to remind you that time's running out. As you can see, your phone timer isn't quite as efficient and easy to use. Thanks to the magnets, you can also attach the device to your fridge or any other metal surface. This is a quite useful one. Well, wearable tech is cool, smart, and all that. But what if you had a smart tattoo that would show you all the needed data right on your body? No, we're not insane. That's exactly what these smart tattoos allow you to do. Not only do they display some kind of useful information, they update it throughout the day. LogicInk makes something they call programmable tattoos. The one they're already sending now reacts to UV rays to show you when it's time to get out of the sun. But they're actually developing, so in the near future the tattoos will help us track the weather or even body rates like level of hydration and alcohol. They also look great thanks to the bright changing colors and minimalistic shapes. Definitely the most elegant gadget in our set. Waking up early is a problem we all have to face, but you wouldn't hate it so much if you had the right gadget. This thing doesn't just wake you with an annoying sound. First, it sends a gentle beam of light straight to your face. That means your partner won't be disturbed. It also uses a directional speaker for the same reason, so nobody has to wake up with you. It finds you in your bed thanks to a body heat sensor. Don't worry, the device isn't equipped with any microphones or cameras if you're concerned about privacy. There's a special mobile app to control the device remotely. In addition, it's also equipped with a background light and a sound machine that plays music to cover disturbing noise. This should make your typical morning much more cheerful. Do you think you need those huge, bulky speakers to get a truly good sound? Well, let me show you this. These incredibly thin and lightweight speakers deliver a premium sound quality. They're made of stainless steel and carbon fiber. There's no plastic here at all. They definitely look great. The sound capacity is also fairly large, hitting 150 decibels. You can assemble a full sound system of 2 speakers and a dedicated woofer, or just get a separate speaker to upgrade the setup you already have. That's what a modern speaker should look like. Here's a small and quite simple device that's designed to solve a huge problem. House fires are usually caused by our own recklessness. Someone leaves the stove on and the consequences may be terrible. This device can be attached to any gas or electric stove in order to provide you with remote access to it. With the mobile app, you can also check whether your stove is on and turn it off immediately. Moreover, you can easily adjust the temperature from another room so your food won't get overcooked. Those little things can sometimes make our lives much more comfortable and safe. Now, let's get back to the fun stuff. Lasers have always been something we usually see in movies, but not in our daily routine. Meet Lazer Cube, a compact gadget that brings to life all your wild ideas. You can use it to project any kind of images and animations. Just pair it with your smartphone, PC, or Mac, and start exploring. There's a ton of different modes. Use the cube as a music visualizer, play laser harp, or cover a whole building with any projection you want. Within the bounds of reason, of course. Moreover, it's powerful enough to engrave something on your wallet or bag. Just be careful and keep it away from children's reach. Remember the movie about the crazy perfumer? I'm not saying he was right, but there's really something marvelous about scents we smell every day, especially the good ones. This gadget is designed to bring the most wonderful fragrances to your home the easiest way possible. There's a ton of different capsules to choose and mix together. Find something unique for your current mood. The mobile app will provide you with the advanced controls for each capsule. If you trust the professionals more, there are various pre-made scents created by a French perfumer. Once you've found a great combination, you can share it with your friends. Maybe we need a new social network for scents. Let's face it, making a grocery list can be a nightmare. It takes a lot of time to write down all the necessary things, but in the end, you always realize that you've forgotten something. Maybe your garbage can will handle it better. All you need is to attach this gadget called GeniCan to your regular bin so it'll become your grocery list assistant. Whenever you throw something out, just place it for a second in front of the gadget so that it can scan the barcode and add the product to your list. And what if there's no barcode? GeniCode supports voice recognition, so you can just name the product out loud. Now your list won't lack anything you need. Are you sure a wheel and pedals are enough for the ultimate racing experience? Then check this out. This monster brings racetracks and highways right to your bedroom. It's an extremely realistic simulator based on a motion platform. That means you'll feel every sharp turn or skid. If you aren't into sports cars, there's a truck simulator version with a bigger wheel and all that. What about getting off the ground? Literally. That's if you go with the flight simulator that recreates the controls of an actual aircraft. But there's something more for the maximum immersion. This machine is compatible with the most popular VR headsets, including Oculus and HTC. So that's pretty much the way pilots are trained.